Hello students, in last session the example number 10 is completed at last, and at last we discussed about the nature of roots. Let's see the next example from our textbook on your page number 84. Example number 11. Example number 11 is related to our second exercise 4.2, but it is a mathematical representation. It is a solution. Example 11. Find two consecutive odd positive integers, sum of whose squares is 290. Find two consecutive odd positive integers. If one integer is 3 and the second integer is 5, if one is taken as a x, then to obtain 5 is 3 plus 2. 3 which is x plus 2. X and x plus 2 are two consecutive odd positive integers. Example number 11. Let us take x and x plus 2 are two consecutive positive odd integers. If only two consecutive positive integers, then take x and x plus 1. They are two consecutive odd positive integers, means x and x plus 2 are two consecutive positive odd integers. Now the given that sum of whose squares is 290. Sum of whose squares is 290. That's why x square plus x plus 2 whole square is equals to 290. X square plus expansion x square plus 2 2s are 4x plus 4. Shift 290 right hand side to left hand side, minus 290 is equals to 0. X square plus x square, which is 2x square, plus 4x plus 4 minus 290 gives minus 286 is equals to 0. Therefore, x square plus 2x minus 143 is equals to 0. It is mathematical representation of the given situation. Now we need to find the value of x to obtain two consecutive positive odd integers. In our textbook, the equation is solved by using the quadratic formula. You can also apply the factorization method is also applicable. Right now we are solving using the quadratic formula. That's why a is equals to 1, b is equals to 2, c is equals to minus 143. Discriminant d is equals to b square minus 4ac, where b square is a square of 2 minus 4. A is 1 and c is minus 143. 2 square, which is 4, minus minus plus. 4 3s are 12, 1, 7, 1, 272, which is 5, and which is 576. 576 is the value of discriminant. 576 is used in formula of quadratic equation to solve the value for this equation using quadratic formula. X is equals to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Now we substitute the value. Minus b is equals to 2 plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac means 576 upon 2. A is equals to 1. Minus 2 remains as it is, plus or minus square root of 576. 576 is the square of 24. If you are not able to write directly, find the factors. 2 2s are 4, 6 and 6. 8 and 8. 8 and 8. 2, 144. As we know, 144 is the square of 12. 2 square into 12 square. So that 2 into 12, which is 24. 576. Square root of 576 is 24. Is equals to 24 upon 2 ones are 2. It is value of x. Now we split x as a one time plus and one time minus. Minus 2 plus 24 upon 2, or x is equals to minus 2 minus 24 upon 2. Therefore, the value of x is 22 upon 2. 2 11s are, x is equals to 11. X is equals to minus 26 upon 2, which gives minus 13. In the question says that two consecutive positive integers, we need to find that. It is a negative, that's why it is not possible. X is equals to 11. Now two consecutive positive integers are 2 consecutive positive integers are, one is x is equals to 11 and the another is x plus 2 is equals to 11 plus 2 is equals to 13. 11 and 13 are, therefore 11 and 13 are required to consecutive positive integers. The square of this number, square of 11 and square of 13. Square of 11 plus square of 13, 121 plus 169, which is given us 290. 290, the sum of whose square is 290, hence again it verified that our solution is 100% correct. Now we see the next example number 12. Example number 12, which is most important. A rectangular park is to be designed whose breadth is 3 meters less than its length. Its area is to be 4 square meters more than the area of a park that has already been made in the shape of isosceles triangle with its base as the breadth of rectangular park and of altitude 12 meter. See figure 4.3, but the figure is not required, not given in examination. Find its length and breadth. The first line says that a rectangular park is to be designed whose breadth is 3 meters less than its length. The first of all, we are assuming here length as a x. Let us take x meter be the length of rectangular park. Now according to the first sentence, first we obtain breadth for it. breadth is 3 meter less than its length. Therefore, breadth is equals to 3 meter less than its length, which is x minus 3. It is the breadth of rectangular park. Now the second says that its area means area of rectangular park. Length is x and breadth be the x minus 3. Area of this rectangular park is 4 square meters more than the area of park. Another park is available, area of park that has already been made in the shape of isosceles triangle with its base. The base is x minus 3. Here one isosceles triangle is here. Isosceles triangle with base, again base is x minus 3 and altitude 12 meter. It has one altitude which is 12 meter. Base is x minus 3 and altitude is 12 meter. To obtain an equation, first of all we find the area of rectangular park and area of triangular park. Area of rectangular park is equals to length multiply breadth, x into x minus 3 meter square. Area of triangular park. Before we write how the triangle is obtained here. Here base of triangle is x minus 3 and the altitude is 12 meter. Triangle is isosceles triangle. In the question given that the triangle is isosceles triangle. Therefore, area of triangle is equals to area of triangle is equals to 1/2 multiply base multiply altitude. 1/2 base is x minus 3 and the altitude is 12. 2 6 means 6 into bracket x minus 3 meter square. It is area of triangle. Now what is relation? The relation is its area means area of rectangular park. Area of rectangular park is 4 square meters more than the area of isosceles triangle. Therefore, area of rectangular park, the area of rectangular park is x into bracket x minus 3 is 4 square meter more than the area of isosceles triangle. 4 square meter more means plus 4. Isosceles triangle 6 into bracket x minus 3. That's why x square minus 3x is equals to 6x minus 6 3s are 18 plus x. Shift this terms right hand to left hand side. X square minus 3x, 6x minus 14. That's why x square minus 3x minus 6x plus 14 is equals to 0. That's why x square minus 9x plus 14 is equals to 0. The question is find its length and breadth, means first of all find the value of x. If x is obtained, then length and breadth is obtained very easily. The factors, again you can also, in the question there is no any particular method is given, so that here we are using a splitting the middle term method. Also you can apply quadratic formula to solve this equation. X square, there is no need to compulsory use the quadratic formula. Minus 7x minus 2x plus 14 is equals to 0. Therefore, x is common, x minus 7 minus 2, x minus 7 is equals to 0. Therefore, x minus 7 in another bracket, x minus 2 is equals to 0. Therefore, x minus 7 is equals to 0 or x minus 2 is equals to 0. On comparing both with 0, we get x is equals to 7 and x is equals to 2. Here two values of x are obtained here. One is 7 and another is 2. Now, if x is equals to 7, then the length is x, length is equals to x is equals to 7 meter. Breadth is equals to, the breadth is x minus 3, 7 minus 3 which is 4 meter. If x is equals to another value 2, then length is equals to x is equals to 2 meter and the breadth is equals to x minus 3, 2 minus 3 which is minus 1, which is not possible. Hence, the solution is obtained here. The dimensions of rectangular part, find the length and breadth. Therefore, length is 7 meter and breadth is 4 meter. Hence the example number 12 is completed. Example number 12 is the most important example. Keep in mind. Now we see example 13. Let's see new example number 13. Example number 13 in your textbook, page number 85. Find the roots of the following quadratic equation if they exist using the quadratic formula. We know the roots are exist or not. Using b square minus 4ac means discriminant. It has three types of value: greater than 0, is equals to 0 and the less than 0. If it has a value greater than 0 or is equals to 0, then it has a roots, it has a solution is possible. But the value of discriminant is less than 0, the real roots are not required. We can't able to apply quadratic formula if we get b square minus 4ac is equals to 0. Let's see the example number 13. What is the question says? Find the roots of following quadratic equations if they exist using the quadratic formula. The first one, First is 3x square minus 5x plus 2 is equals to 0. The value of a is 3, the value of b is minus 5 and the constant term c is equals to 2. b square minus 4ac is equals to minus 5 square minus 4. Instead of a is 3 and instead of c is equals to 2. 25 minus 4 3s are 12, 12 2s are 24. 25 minus 24 is equals to 1. Here 1 is greater than 0. The value of discriminant is greater than 0, means this equation has two distinct roots. Therefore, this equation has two distinct roots. Using quadratic formula, x is equals to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Now we substitute all the values. Minus, instead of b minus 5, plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac means 1 upon 2 into a is 3. Minus plus 5 plus or minus 1 upon 2 3s are 6. X is equals to 5 plus 1 upon 6 or x is equals to 5 minus 1 upon 6. 5 plus 1 6 upon 6, cut it and we get x is equals to 1. 5 minus 1 which is 4 upon 6, 2 2s are and 2 3s are, x is equals to 2 upon 3. Here 1 and 2 upon 3 are the solution or roots of given equation. Here 1 and 2 upon 3 are roots of given equation. Now the second number is x square plus 4x plus 5 is equals to 0. First of all, we would like to check it has a solution or not, because the question says that if they exist, roots are exist, then use quadratic formula. A is equals to coefficient of x square 1, b is equals to 4 and c is equals to 5. b square minus 4ac is equals to 4 square minus 4. A is equals to 1 and the c is equals to 5. 4 square is equals to 16 minus 4 5s are 20. Minus 4 which is less than 0. Here the value of discriminant is less than 0, then the real roots are not exist. Here discriminant b square minus 4ac less than 0. Therefore, real roots of given equation does not exist or does not available. The next third number is given equation 2x square plus 2 root 2x plus 1 is equals to 0. The first of all write the coefficient ABC. A is equals to 2, B is equals to 2 root 2 and C is equals to 1. B square minus 4AC is equals to B square 2 root 2 whole square minus 4. A is equals to 2 and C is equals to 1. 2 root 2 square is equals to 4 2s are 8 minus 8. 8 minus 8 is equals to 0. Here the discriminant is 0. Then what will happen? Here B square